Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to Art Adventures. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we're gonna be using for today. These are called I/O blocks. I just purchased these over the summer for my STEAM course, and they're kind of like building blocks, in a sense, kind of like Connexer Legos. They're just different shapes. They're a lot larger, and it's pretty cool because it comes with this interactive tracker, what they call it. It's just a piece of cardboard. There's instructions on the back. Place it here. When you download the app, you can go ahead and see what 3D models they have. And they have this cool slide bar that you can either press play on or you can manually scroll, and it'll show you the full kind of creation that you're doing, and it'll disassemble everything and then reassemble it. So you can see it. Mind you, if you take your phone and you swivel it around to the back end, it's a 3D rendition. So you'll be able to see the back side, the bottom, the top if you want. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead. I've already built this, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to build this. This is gonna be our next assignment. In PE, we're doing sharks and minnows with pool noodles, so we social distance. And I thought it'd be appropriate in my next assignment to do a simple minnow. So we're gonna go ahead and build this. So in order to do this, you're gonna need these pieces. You're gonna start off with one of these Y shape. They're gonna be like this tan or goldish color. An H that's green, but it has curved edges. You're gonna take this Y shape, just like this one, but in black. If you can't find a black, then go ahead and grab one of these. It doesn't really make a difference. I just like it to be in black. There's these two Y shapes. Now this one is a very long neck with a tiny little block right here. We need two of those. We're gonna go ahead and put one red H, two more Y shapes, but in the gold color, a blue cross, and another black shape. I'm gonna slide this to the side, and I'm gonna move these so I can fit it all in frame. All right, and these are the pieces that you need for your assignment. Once you guys have those put together, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this as the start of our body, okay? We're gonna hold it flat or horizontal like this. We're gonna take this black Y shape, we're gonna flip it vertically, okay? And you're gonna connect these like this. You're gonna slide it all the way in until it is completely connected, right? And so you have a cross on one side here, and it's getting stuck in there. Okay, so now you're gonna take these two orange or gold pieces, okay? And you're gonna slide it in against this blue right here and slide it back until it connects perfectly, okay? And it'll look kind of like this. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. This one, I'm gonna flip it, put it there. These things kind of slide right in place. They all fit together nice and evenly. So you have this from the top, you have this from the side, okay? Take the H, you're gonna flip it vertically, and you're gonna stick it right between those two gold spots against the black. So you have this red that flows into the black, and these two gold things on the side. It goes straight into that blue piece over here. So it looks kind of like that. All right, now you're gonna take these white pieces. Actually, you're not gonna do these white pieces yet because it needs something to hold on to. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this black piece, you're gonna keep it horizontal, and you're gonna slide it into place inside of that H. So now it looks like this. It looks like you have a tail. It's not the tail yet, it's part of the tail, okay? You're gonna take this H shape with the round curves, the green piece, and you're gonna slide that right inside that black slot right there, okay? Slide that in. The edges will touch barely the red. So it looks like that. And then you're gonna take this Y piece and you're gonna flip it vertically, and you're gonna slide it at the end. Now, these aren't completely snapped in, so I can wiggle this if I need to, okay? But you gotta be careful because it will fall apart. Now, these two last white Y pieces, are gonna be the rest of our body. So you have these two black sides sticking out of the back. Okay, from the side, it just looks flat, but you're gonna take this Y piece and you're going to slide it against the black piece right there until it kind of fills in that little gap right there. It's connected, but barely connected to that black piece. So these are kind of fragile. If you they could come right off really easily. You don't have to put a lot of force to them at all. And just make sure that they're not in here, because that means that they're not grabbing here. Push it forward. And if you push it forward enough, it's gonna stop because there's a wall there on the white piece that's gonna hit the little bit of black that it is hitting. Okay, flip it over, do the same thing. Slide that there into place, push it forward, and there you go. You have yourself a little fish or a minnow. So now you have two. There's a top view and a side view. Enjoy and watch for the next one.